Hope you got the word for the day. Hello, everyone. So, welcome back to another series of shorts video. Yeah. I just thought of okay, let's do something different again. We keep trying to get what you guys really want. Since you guys refuse to, drop comments for me, now I would love to know with this series. Now, do you want just shorter videos, short, brief, than this longer form, or you feel this longer form is okay? I enjoy every bit of the section in these videos. And remember that all these creatives, some of them their handles are on the videos, some are not, and I cannot actually remember all because they are old gallery videos. Sorry, gallery. Before you guys, my friend will come and correct me. I don't know if which one is correct, either gallery or gallery. But I know you guys love me like that, and I truly appreciate you all. So I just want you to relax, enjoy, watch whichever style that catches your attention. Give it to your stylist, let them watch it. If they can do it, replicate it. Why not? If you know how to make it, so you want to try it on someone, go ahead. Go ahead. If you want to practice, go ahead too. Okay. So I'm going to see you guys in my next commentary video, and I just hope that you enjoy this video. So I'm waiting for your opinion. All right? Do you want this shorter, like 4 minutes, 5 minutes? It's okay. We don't want it to be this long. It's too much. The videos you compiled is too much. We want it short. Just let me know, or let's do the looping. Whichever one you guys love, just let me know so that I will do what you want. Okay? And I hope that you enjoyed this hair gallery series. All right, guys. So if you're new here and you're yet to hit the subscribe button, even if you're drawing inspiration from this profile, hit the subscribe button so that whenever I drop another new inspiration, you come and draw inspiration from it. Yeah, it's a free world, and the sky is wide enough for everyone to fly. Okay, and either we like it or not, one way or the other, most of all these stylists too are being known through this process and ways to. Okay, so you're free, just click on that subscribe button, put on your notification bell, share it with your friends, and don't forget to like, comment, and see you in my next video. Bye.
Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path. Beauty born from every craft. The potter's touch, the gentle way, guides us through each blessed day. Hands create, hearts inspire, fueled by dreams, ignited fire. In every braid, a little prayer. In every sigh, love is there. Faithful steps on every path.